Casio. Bronjal can make it from there. And he does on that play. That's 3 for Rodney.
Usually, Coach Jeff Carriazo yung kumpiyansa niya.
Ganda ng kuha kay Rodney pagkatapos ng tira. Parang, they do that all day. Special thanks, of course, to the Clark.
Dito sa Meralco, ang laking adjustment na pinagkaiba dun sa game nila against Phoenix because they're passing and they're moving the ball. You like to start the game that way para lang hindi yung nanlalamig sa umpisa.
Las Alistas hooked up for that basket. Jeron Teng to Abu Trotter. Toto dyan, pero parang sabi niya, ayaw na niya ng Toto. Raymar na dapat.
Pero ito si Raymar, nung pumasok dito sa liga natin, inaabangan talaga. He's one of those players that played
earlier. Ang daming ganon. Here's the shot. Missing, but Abu Trotter with a power putback.
This is a scary front line.
Jose. Sanang puntahan si Almazan. Spin move na lang sa lane. Flip si Rapelin. Walang mapuntahan Gumawa na ng Para with the shot clock. Swing to Abel. He'll take that 3. Makes that from out there. 3-point land.
Both Herndon and Abe Galigues again.
Loob ng court. Basta,
go hard.
Game face palagi yan. Another strong move inside from the Meralco Bulls. And Raymond Almazan gets it. We'll call this the lakas move na hatid sa atin. He has to make sure the hair doesn't get into his eyes as he takes the free throw. Umaabot yata naman Pinto. Alain will try one of his own. And he'll switch that one.
That has to show up earlier.
Into the corner. Nice fake by Maliksi. Drives it in, swatted away by Abu Trotter, but a foul prior to that. To Herndon. What's he gonna do? The nice spin on the way up. Mukhang natamaan. And Maliksi is denying. Herndon has adjusted already to being an Alaska ace. And obviously, obviously has defined the rules for his newer guys. 1 out of 2 from the line. Gets it right back, however. Could be a 3-point play in reverse. 4 to shoot. Somebody's got to take it now. Herndon.
No. The second free.
Offensive foul. So what could have been a 3-point play ends up. Turnaround J is short. And JV Casio had a stellar season in the 44th season of PBA. PBA is Hodge keeps it alive. Sino kukuha niyan? Aya-ay taps it to himself. It's 3-on-1. Aya-ay to the basket.
That was hahabulin yan sa taas.
Kinabahan ako ng konti para kay Aya-ay. Makahabulin. So we've seen it with some of the more spectacular. So hindi na alam kung kanino sila pupunta. And Newsom taking advantage of that matchup with JV Casio, as you pointed out earlier.
Para dito kay Mike.
Hindi pa yata nakascore, no? Si Mike Di Gregorio. Raymar Jose naman. Mahulog na siya. Then Maliksi will attack. And his goes, di ba? Malabas na yun. Malakas na yung tira. Tumama.
The other guy is Raymond Almazan.
Bronjal. Right into Raymar Jose.
In the second quarter for Alaska.
Frontline Pilipinas, hatid ni na Cheryl Cosim at Idol Rafi Tulfo ang balita at impormasyong dapat malaman. Ng Frontline Pilipinas.
He is a testament to that. Gonna that extra pass again in the shaded area. That's against Vic Manuel and 2 other in the quarter.
What a sprinkling of patience they've been given since their last game because they're waiting, they're not rushing things. Cliffhanger natin yung pangyayari, no? Bumagsak. Ayun. They're gonna check it for a flagrant. Look, eyes on that and the pass inside. Almost thrown away. Pinto goes up. There's a foul on Mike Di Gregorio and the referee was right. He's been around, played well for all the teams he's been with. SD. Lahat yan, ang dami niyong choices para makapanood ng PBA.
Naman ang mga sinasakripisyo rin ng mga mandalado na to being in that bubble.
Oh, strong move mula kay Abu Trotter on the baseline. May contact. Jeron Teng looking for an opening. He'll put it up and get it to go. Chance for the 3-point play. And what a start para sa Ala. Saksak ni Jeron Teng to the basket. He got it to go. And Meralco has yet to score in the second half. We're coming on really strong. You wanted to break their momentum and probably get a basket. And you get nothing. And then Jeron Teng just puts a shot from the top of the key. 3-pointer. And the naghaharap ng mapapasahan. Tinanggap ni Baser. 3 yan kung pumasok.
Oh.
Yun na yun. First 3. for Meralco in the third.
Ano pa sila ni Mike Tigigoro? Si Mike Tigigoro,
Oh.
0 out of 6 na eh.
Yan si Vic. Yun, nakakuha na rin finally a layup at the hoop. Right there to break. He's looking for an opening. He'll drive it in. Flip it up.
Oh! Isa pang tinik ang nabunot para dito sa iyan na style ng boogie dahil lang sa mga K-drama niya.
Oh, look at that. John AGAPITO. Able to pass it out. Black is free. Oh! Air Black. And he hit a 3, I think, dun sa unang laro na niya. But the Nylons, the lead is back to 5 para sa Meralco Bulls. Jumper. Ayaw pa rin. Publiko. The reverse.
Diba? Athleticism na ito at yung kahan ng Ray Publico.
That's right. To the corner. Favorite shot.
Oh.
Usual result para kay Faundo.
I don't know if may excess of big guys ba itong Alaska because their Coach Jeffrey is...
Line of Alaska, we talk about Sanitos.
Yeah, that's nakakamiss. Nakakamiss. Actually, yun yung malaking butas yung kailangan punuan na Sanitos. Tatlong tao ang kailangan pa. Tatlong big men para lang mapos ka. Outscored Meralco in this ball game. The third.
And why not give it to this guy?
You can
Fans inside the venue. Jeron Teng's jumper.
Oh, he's back.
3, so Alaska needs to make its move. Vic Manuel, sidestep.
No fake.
By Newsom.
Oh!
And a nice colors. Di ba? Manuel's one of them. We saw a lot of Hodge. Bumped him out of the way, but he miffed the shot. Jeron Teng, however, there para especially here in the second half. Baser Amer sumagot naman with a 3. And he turns around, smiles. Now with Hodge, he had a mismatch, decided not to take it. Balik kay Baser, and why not? Baser Amer is the hot hand. Lefted nakapag-championship series na ilang beses. Cliff Hodge finds the lane open. The interior defense of Alaska just collapsed.
Yep. And the movement, kaya tumataas yung assist because they're being found by their teammates.
Jeron Teng still finding points. Find the way for Vic Manuel. How many times have we seen that come off the rim? Finally, he gets on the other side. Pero sa dami ng mintis niya, majority of those were cross anyway. Newsom to Maliksi. Maliksi hindi ginamit yung board.
Pick and roll, no?
Pick and roll,
Pero kasi kaya naman i-dunk ni...
To look at some titles. Jeron Teng got fouled. And he'll still go to the line. So may free throws pa para kay Teng with 6 points.
Again, they're also missing the services of Kevin Rakal in the Maverick Cup.